Hello everyone, it's me Seeba here again. And while we've been recommend you to buy a business stock or a crypto in the depression period, you might have a question that did you buy business in the depression time, or did you buy it when there was barging? Obviously, one things I would like to letting you know that here that we cannot grab all of the opportunity. That's because we don't have a huge capital, plus we cannot see and we cannot see the all of the opportunity, but when we get the opportunity we don't miss it. So in this video you're going to see my portfolio, how I buy a different business. So let's go. Now I'm in the CurrencyHacked over here. If you don't know about the CurrencyHacked is the Australian website which was managed by the Commonwealth Bank, and over there you can buy the Australian companies share. And in addition you can also buy the international share, I believe. So let me go to my portfolio over here. You can see here in portfolio that I have invested $1,955, and now the value of the business is 2,381.58 cents. So it's almost 22% return. So obviously the market can go up or down, but when we get the opportunity we add more capital, and when we get the huge offer, say 1,000% or maybe 2,000%, we're gonna sell it if we think if it's expensive. Other time we don't have to worry about the stock market, because 5 days a week, every second, in that time the value of our our business holding can go up and down. So the main things is whether we invest in the good business, and in the long run does it have a good chances to survive, and does it have a good management, and some other things that we have to understand. And obviously I've looked the problem, whether it's permanent or temporary. As we've already told you that it's an art. So let me go to my portfolio again. You've already see my portfolio here that I have only one company, it's Flight Center. Let me go to my my orders over here. You can see in the order that let me go to the confirmation here, and then I'm going to choose the month. I'm going to choose say January, because I've started by this business from the January to that date. So you can see here that I buy the Flight Center at $16 on the 5th of the 2021 at $16 per share. I mean I get the 32 share, and when I get the more margin I put the more money, I think $530 you can see here, and then I buy the 14.86 the price is $14.86, and I buy the 35 more share. And again when I get the more margin on the 2021 20th of the 8th, I mean 2021 in the previous month 20th, I buy the more at $13.96, and I put the $903. What we did is we buy more share when the price of the business goes down, and obviously all of the business cannot go can't recover. We have to understand it, but we think if we buy the good business it will recover, and we don't have to worry about the everyday fluctuation or something like that. And I have another portfolio in my superhero as well. I also have a Flight Center, which I buy a $14.33. You can see here that my return is 26.87%, and now portfolio value is $345.42. Now what I can do here is I can sell it, but I don't have to. I mean, this is good business, so we're gonna get a good return with good return on our investment, we think. And obviously we buy in the depressed period, so we don't have to worry about the in the prosperity period. So that's the idea we think we have to do. And we don't know whether Flight Center gonna do a far better, or it will do. Obviously we buy it because we think it's gonna do better, and it will like the situation will be far better up than that, and then earning will be increased. So that's why we buy it. But one things we know, that if we buy the depressed business, something like that, in average we're gonna do far better than the average and something like this. But remember the point of that time, I mean 2021, 820, in that time everyone is selling. In that time you must have a ability to buy it. I mean we buy a 64 share and we put the $903, we put more money, when we get the more margin. Now we don't have to buy it. I mean, nobody put a gun into our head or something like that. If we get the margin and if we have a capital, we're gonna put it. Otherwise we don't have to do anything. So that's the idea we've been buying, and I think this will help you, and you understand. I think it's helpful to you as well. So if you have any question or feedback or anything, you can contact us always in our through our social media, or you can send us email at our email address as well. So thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe into our channel as well. Thank you.